Polaris represents more than an industrial journey. It's a people adventure. We began the large-scale manufacturing meters in early 2024 with few hundreds pieces per day. Our initial process was very basic. Documentation and process were very minimal.
I have worked closely with the stakeholders within the team, within the organization, and I have aligned all the documents, all the details in place.
Over the last 2 years, we have implemented ERP, comprising of ordering parts, incoming quality check, production planning, inventory management, and tracking of components on the line.
At the initial stage when we implemented ERP, it was a little bit difficult for the users to adapt the system. But once they started working on it, then everything was happening on the single click. ERP has a scalability to produce more than 20,000 meters in a day.
Today, we operate with 3 automatic bench for 1 phase, 3 phase, and gas meter.
Earlier, you used to get 500 meter per day, and the cycle time was approximately 70 seconds. Then a continuous improvement, and we moved to the 6.5 second of cycle time. Now the line is designed in such a way that interlocking with 11 stations, where the meter has to go through each station and it will scan, it will be record the test log, and now at least we are able to do at least 100% of testing, packing, and even a dispatch without any kind of error.
On the top of that, we have 2 packing lines with automatic conveyor system. Our current production is 5,000 meters per day with an installed capacity of 16,000 meters per day. We have implemented a solid governance of over 80 engineers, including all manufacturing departments, supply chain, production, quality, process engineering, warehouse, IT, and dispatch.
When we started with the meter manufacturing and we are doing a ramp up, the first step we took is to build a good team. We bring the people from the different industries, different background, where we can get a collaborative approach of the different processes. We streamline our process in a way that we can deliver the quality product.
It's a very proud moment for me to stand here and share the experience journey of meter manufacturing of 1 million within a very short period of time.
I feel great when I say that I am the part of this 1 million journey.
We can achieve the target of 1 million of meters per month.
Achieving this milestone of 1 million meter is a quite great feeling for us, because we have started with a very low volume and now we are able to deliver 1 million meter.
In addition, we have a special dedicated team of civil engineering for our new project, NOVA 2026. NOVA will enable us to scale up at 33,000 meters per day for a total capacity of 10 million meters per year. That will be a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility and probably one of the biggest world capacity, with one mission and one vision: becoming a world leader in the space of energy.